So these are the years you have been given, and you have to find. You see in this we have given the production of scooters, motorbikes, and cars over different years, and there's a second diagram where it talks about the percentage of that production being exported. Okay, and on this you have 5 questions. For this first question, I just remove the second diagram so that we get some space to work. So this question is based on this particular diagram. Which of the following years production more than 50%? They've given for 3 years. They've given 2000, 2001 and 1998. 1998. So let us see. In 2000, total production was 86 plus 42 plus 34. Okay, which is 76 plus 86, 162. In that, so this is based on 86, 42, 34. In that, our production of cars is the triangle, which is 42. So cars is 42. So again, this production, I'm not using this units here because it is the same, right? We will do 42 by 162 is more than 50%, meaning this number should be more than 50% of this number. So this should be greater than half. It is not. Greater than half, it is not. Okay, it should have been 81 or more. If it is cars was 81 or more, it would be 50% of total production. Cars is only 42. It is not more than 50%. So this is not the year. Okay, even if I had used these, I would have gotten 42,000 by 162,000. It would have gotten cancelled anyways. So that's the reason I don't use. So it saves you time, it saves you space as well. It makes the calculations easier. 2001, we have 60 plus 34 plus 26. Those are these years. It is 60 plus 60, 120. In that, cars. So see, we might get confused. We might look at cars is 60 and then tick the answer. No. What is car? Car is the triangle, which is this number. So it is 26 over 120. It is not more than 50%. This is not the answer. So we think, oh, it is 1998 because none of these is never the answer. Let us see if it is 1998. 1998 total production is 84 plus 75 plus 60. Okay, 159 plus 60 is 219. In 219, cars are the triangles, which is 84. So we have 84 divided by 219 is not more than 50%. Okay, cars are 84 here. I've used this data. 98, right? So I've used this data. So it's not more than 50%. So this is also not the answer. So our answer is 4. None of these. Okay, that is our answer. Here I need both these diagrams. We have to find the total number of automobiles exported in the year 1999. So my focus will be this, which is the production, and this is of that amount produced, how much is exported. So my focus will be this. Okay, you have to ensure that you see the diagram properly. How many automobiles are produced? So where do I write? Let me write here. Cars. So cars, bikes, scooters. Okay, in cars we have how many are produced? Triangle 40. We have 40. This is the production 40, and you use the units also 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these many are produced in cars. 40 into this. That is what 0000 units mean. These many zeros you add. Bikes we have 60. So hence it is 600000, and scooters we have 480000. So this is the production. Now of this, these many units are produced. This much will be exported. Okay. For cars it will be 40. That number. Okay. We have 4 lakhs there. That you multiply by triangle into 0.1. This gives you 40,000. 40,000 cars are exported. Why? Why have I gotten 0.1? Because I've done 10% here, this number. Because this is the car legend, right? So for bikes, what do I get? I get this number. So I multiply it by 0.2. 20. Why am I multiplying by 0.2? 0.2 is the same as multiplying by 20%. This will be 1,20,000. and scooters is 12, because this is the legend. So scooters multiply by 12, multiply by 0.12. So multiplying it by 0.12, you subtract 2400 from 60, you get 57,600. So 40,000 cars is exported, 1,20,000 bikes they are exported, and 57,600 scooters are exported. Total number of automobiles exported, you add 11, and then this would be 217,600. 217,600 are the number of automobiles exported in this year. Option 3. Let's move to the next question. Ratio of cars, scooters and motorbikes exported in the year 1996. I need both these diagrams. So let us see how to calculate that. The year is 1996. So this is 1996. I focus here. So this is the production and this is the percentage of exports. So let me make some space. So cars, scooter and bike. Cars I have 38. So remember, you write it in the same. So cars, scooters, motorbikes. So cars, scooters, motorbike. Cars I have 38. Since it is ratio, we would get it would get divided. So I don't write the units. You can write the units. You would still get the same answer. 38, of which exported will be 96. Okay. I have cars as 38. Of that, 42% is exported. So I multiply this by 0.42. Okay. This is cars. This would be percentage of that which is exported. Now next would be scooters. I have 48, and then multiplying that I will get into 0.28. So these meaning of that, which 28% is exported. So if you are getting confused, you write 38,0,0,0 and do the calculations. Okay, and then finally bike, you get 60 because I take this which is bike, and here motorbike would be square into 35 into 0.35. I would get this. So if you multiply and you divide by 7, before multiplication if you divide by 7, this would be divide by, let's say, 0.7 or 0.07, whatever you want. However, whatever is easy, you do it. Since it is ratios, whatever you divide, whatever you multiply, do it for all. Okay, this will be 38 into 6, 48 into 4, 60 into 5. How have I gotten this? I divided this, each of these, by 0.07. Why 0.07? These are all multiples of 7, right? So I divided it by 0.07. 0.42 by 0.07 gives me 6. 0.28 by 0.07 gives me 4. Just to make calculations easier. And then 0.35 by 0.07 gives me 5. So 38 into 6, 48 into 4, 60 into 5. So I'll write that here. If you simplify, divide by 2, you will get 38 into 3, divide everything by 2. 48 into 4 becomes 48 into 2, then becomes 30 into 5. Now if you want, you divide once again by 2, you will get 19 into 3, divide by 2, you will get 24 into 2, and then you will get 15 into 5. So these are the three numbers that you will get. So this is cars, scooters, bikes. This is 57 is to 48 is to 75. These numbers are also divisible by 3. So ratio of cars is to scooters is to bikes would be 57 is to 48 is to 75. If you divide by 3, you will get 19 is to 16 is to 25. That is the answer. So how did we do? We calculated production and exported, right, and multiplied it by the percentage exported. So for cars we got 38,000, multiplied by 0.42. For scooters, we got 48 multiplied by 0.28. And for bikes, we got 60 multiplied by 0.35. And since you had 0.42, 0.28, 0.35 divided by 0.07, how do you know that you have to divide by 0.07? Do not worry. If you don't do it and you multiply everything by 100, 60 into 0.35, 48 into 0.28, and 38 into 0.42, you can multiply by 100 and then simplify. Whatever it is, do that same operation on all three values. The other thing that you remember is cars, scooters, and bikes are asked, so your ratio should also be C is to S is to motorbikes, MB. And then when I multiply and then I simplify, I get 57 is to 48 is to 75, divided by 3 again, 19 is to 16 is to 25. If you see here, the year of the lowest production of vehicles is the year where you gotten the lowest production. If you add, see, you will have all of these years, right? Just even if the options are in there, these numbers look very high. So, but let's see, 96, very quickly let us see. You don't have to look at all the years, just look at the years for which the options are given. But if none of these is there, you'll have to look at all the years. So 96 is 60 plus 48 plus 38, 86 plus 60, 146. 146, this one, 0, 0, 0, 0. Don't worry about this for now. 97, because it's the same for all the years. 56 plus 44 plus 40 is 84 plus 56 is 140. Then 98, sorry, 98 will be 84 plus 75 is 159. Already it's greater than this, so it can't be the answer. 99 would be 88 plus 60 is 148, not the answer. So as of now, this is the lowest. So 2000, I have 42 plus 34 is 76, 76 plus 86, 162, not the answer. And then 2001, I have 34 plus 26 is 60, 60 plus 60 is 120. Of the years, the lowest production of vehicles was in 2001. 2001. Let's look at the next question. Which statements is are true? They have given a few statements there. See which of these are true. The first statement says there is at least, or there is not, there is exactly one instance where the production remains the same compared to the previous year. If you see the graph for cars, you see that it is increasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So it's not the same. If you see from scooters, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, not the same. But if you see motorbikes, decreasing, increasing, same. So there is one instance and we would rush to tick this. But if you see carefully, it decreases and then it remains the same again. So there are two instances where the production remains the same in consecutive years, and this is true for motorbikes. Exactly one instance is wrong. The first option, exactly one instance, is wrong. There is more than one instance where it is true. The next one says there is no year where the production of all the vehicles increase. Okay, if you see, let me just delete the drawings. Just go on a minute. If you see, here all of these productions decreases. Here it decreases, it increases for one. But if you see this set of years, right, it increases from 44 to 84. So if you see, it increases from 44 to 84. 56 to 84. It increases from 44 to 60, and it increases from 40 to 75. This is the year where production of cars, scooters, and motorbikes, all three increase. All three increase. Hence, option 2 is also wrong. Okay. First option is wrong. Second option is wrong. The third option says the production of all the vehicles is 887,000. If you see and if you look at all of these numbers, they are just one number. If you take, right, this one is 60,000. If you see, there are 4 zeros here. One production in 1 year of one vehicle itself is greater than this number. If it was 887,000, then it might be true. We might have to check it. But here they have given us 887,000. So you don't even have to check. plus this 1 0, there is a mistake. So option 3 is also wrong. Hence it is option 4. There is more than one instance. See, 60 to 60 is one instance, 34 to 34 is one more instance.